Ang dami nag-request sa akin, Sir Grail, can you do Taglish for education purpose about autophagy? So, ito na nga. Paano natin malalaman kung nasa autophagy na tayo? Ang sagot is, hindi natin talaga malalaman for sure. Kasi po, ang autophagy happens inside our body. Hindi ito isang bagay na agad nating mararamdaman or mapapansin. Some people feel mas focus sila while fasting. Yung iba naman po, mas maraming energy. At yung iba naman, wala silang nararamdaman kakaiba. And that's okay. Hindi ibig sabihin na kung wala kang nararamdaman, walang nangyayari. That's why I always tell people, do not chase a feeling. Instead, focus on building healthy habits that you can do consistently. Because at the end of the day po, health isn't about finding one magic trick. It's about understanding our body and making better choices every single day. Kung may tanong po kayo tungkol sa autophagy, mag-comment lang po kayo. Baka yun ang next reel natin. Thank you.